Hello classmates, today we are going to learn about CNC machining. First, let's understand the basic concepts of CNC machining. CNC machining is a method of controlling the motion and the machining process of a machine tool using digital signals. It is an automatic control technology. A CNC machine tool is a machine tool that uses CNC technology or is equipped with a CNC system. As long as the CNC program is written, the machine tool can process parts. The common CNC machining equipment includes CNC machine tools, CNC milling machines, and CNC electrical discharge machining machines. Characteristics of CNC machining. So, what are the characteristics of CNC machining? High processing accuracy. The CNC machine tools are a combination of precision machinery and automation technology. The positioning accuracy of CNC machine tools can reach plus or minus 0.005 millimeters, and the repeated positioning accuracy is plus or minus 0.002 millimeters. High degree of automation and productivity. CNC machining automatically completes parts processing tasks according to the pre-programmed programs. Strong adaptability. When changing the processed parts, only the processing program needs to be replaced to change the type of processed workpiece. Beneficial for the modernization of production management. Using CNC machine tools to process parts can accurately calculate the processing time of parts and effectively simplify the management of inspection and semi-finished products. Reduce labor intensity, improve working conditions, and eliminate the need for heavy and repetitive manual operations for operators. High cost, large initial investment in CNC machining, and heavy programming workload for complex parts. Application of CNC machining in molds. CNC machining is widely used in mold parts. For totally molds, CNC machine tool processing is generally used. For complex contours or molds with curved surfaces, generally, CNC milling and machining center are used for processing. For complex shapes and special material molds, the CNC wire cutting is adopted. For particular high hardness or complex local structure, the CNC EDM processing can be used. For geometric surfaces that require high precision, CNC grading can be used. Preparation of CNC programs. How do you program? With the development of CNC technology, CNC programming is divided into two forms, manual programming and automatic programming. Manual programming is not the mainstream of CNC programming, and automatic programming can be divided into language automatic programming and graphic interactive automatic programming. That is, CAD/CAM. CAD/CAM is the mainstream of CNC machining. Whether it is manual programming or automatic programming, the programming process is shown in the figure. Analyze the shape and size accuracy of the workpiece material, as well as the shape and heat treatment of the blank, to determine the feasibility of machining the workpiece on a CNC machine tool. Processing involves analyzing and designing the manufacturing process of the parts before programming. The original basis for numerical calculation and the tool path planning is to calculate the tool motion trajectory according to the determined machining routes and allowable error in part join programming. Write programs. Write part machining programs based on the instruction program segment format instructions of the CNC system being used. The input of the CNC system can be done directly through the keyboard USB interface, machine tool memory card, etc. to input the program into CNC system. Program inspection, including the use of the idle running function of CNC machine tools to inspect and check the motion and trajectory of the machine tool. The correctness of the machine tool's motion and trajectory can be checked through trial machining to determine whether the machining process is reasonable and the machining efficiency can be improved until satisfactory parts are machined. The basic process of implementing CNC machining is shown in the figure, from part drawings to processes, from tool selection to fixtures, from selection to programming and debugging, and finally to achieve the corresponding product. Through this, we can further clarify what needs to be done in CNC programming. CNC machine tools. The processing equipment used in CNC cutting is CNC machine tools, which are used to process rotary parts. According to the structural form, the CNC machine tools can be divided into two categories: horizontal CNC machine tools and vertical CNC machine tools. Compared with ordinary machine tools, the CNC machine tools directly use servo motors to drive the slide and the tool holder through ball screws to achieve feed motion, thus greatly simplifying the feed system and enabling stepless speed change. The main functions of a CNC machine tools are linear interpolation function, which controls the cutting tool to cut along a straight line and can machine the cylindrical surfaces, conical surfaces, and chamfers. Arc interpolation function, controlling the tool to cut and machine the circular arc surfaces and the curved surfaces along the arc. Fixed loop function, which can be called with one instruction for multiple feedings and repeated processing, such as rough machine loop, groove cutting, etc. The constant line speed cutting function maintains the automatic compensation function for tool radius by controlling the spindle speed. The machine tools with this function can be programmed directly according to the part control without considering the tool radius, making programming convenient and simple. The complex parts and the parts that are suitable for CNC machine tool machining compared to ordinary machine tools have high precision requirements for the control shape of rotary parts. The complex parts and parts with special threads are rotary parts. The difference between the CNC tuning of mold parts and the ordinary tuning is that the machining accuracy is different, and the CNC tuning has higher machining accuracy. For the machining of two-dimensional surface contours of rotary parts, the ordinary tuning requires grinding tools to machine. Simple two-dimensional surfaces such as arcs and rounded corners, the CNC machine tools can use external tuning tools to directly machine them. The processing efficiency is different, and the process of machining and changing tools for parts is controlled by written programs. The entire machining process is fully automated, so the efficiency is very high. CNC milling machine. CNC milling machines are also widely used in mold processing. The CNC milling machine is an automatic machining machine tool that relies on programming, in addition to milling the surfaces of various parts that can be machined by ordinary milling machines. It can also mill various complex flat and curved parts, such as cams, propellers, etc. The CNC milling machines include horizontal CNC milling machines, vertical horizontal dual-purpose CNC milling machines, and gantry CNC milling machines. The main functions of CNC milling machine include point control function, which can achieve high requirements for relative positional accuracy in pole machining, continuous control function. It can achieve linear interpolation function, circular interpolation function, and the machining of non-circular curves, the tool radius compensation function. eliminates the need to consider the actual radius size of the tool used, reducing complex numerical calculations during programming. The tool length compensation function can automatically compensate for the length of the tool to meet the requirements for adjusting the length and size of the tool during machining. Proportional mirror processing, which can change the coordinate values of the pre-programmed processing program according to the specified scale to execute. Rotation function, which can rotate the pre-programmed machining program to any angle within the machining plan for execution. Some parts require repeated machining at different positions. Subroutine calling function. The same control shape will be processed using the control shape processing program as a subroutine, which can be repeatedly called at the required position to complete the machining of the part. Macro program functionality, representing a series of instructions that implement a certain function with a single overall instruction, and being able to perform operations on variables, makes the program more flexible and convenient. The parts suitable for CNC milling machine processing include flat parts and curved parts. In this class, we introduced the characteristics, types, and applications of CNC machining. That's all for this lesson. See you next time, classmates.